want to deposit money, then you have to go to a bank. If you want to take mutual fund, then you have to consult an agent. And even if you want to book a cab, you have to contact Uber. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Net Exponent. My name is Yashika. So today in this video, I am going to talk to you about a very interesting and a very new topic of finance, and that is decentralized finance. So in all the examples which I gave, there is a third party, a middleman or an intermediary involved, which is making the financial system more complicated. It is involving huge cost as well as is taking more time. So here comes the concept of decentralized finance, which has made it possible to remove these intermediaries from between and involves P2P transactions. So P2P transactions mean peer-to-peer transaction. I can directly take loan from you without any bank involved in it, right? I can deposit money without any intermediary. So this decentralized finance has made it possible to remove the regulatory body like RBI. It has removed intermediary, third party from between. But how does it work? How does it function? So this concept works on the system of cryptocurrency, or it works on the network of blockchain. मैम कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, सब ऊपर से निकल गया. So I'll try to explain this with the help of a very simple example. Suppose if I want to take a loan, I will contact bank, right? I will approach bank and bank will tell me to fulfill all the documentation process. I will submit something as a security. I'll keep something as security and bank will then approve my loan and I have to pay interest on that, right? This is the traditional system. But this decentralized finance works on smart contract. Now what are these smart contracts? Smart contracts are software which has algorithm, which works on algorithm and has some predefined conditions. See, for example, if I say I will give you good X only if you give me the money, right? So this has predefined condition involved. It works on if and then statement. अगर आप मेरे को पैसे दोगे तो मैं आपको good transfer कर दूंगी, right? So this works on smart contract. As soon as that condition is fulfilled, the contract will be executed, right? So this doesn't involve any middleman in between, right? It works on algorithm. Algorithm में already कुछ predefined conditions होती है. See, for example, if I want to take a loan, right, I will put my requirement in it, right? So if the predefined conditions are met, कुछ conditions डली होंगी उसमें, और अगर वो meet हो जाएंगी, so the other party, who has excess money, so he will give me the loan and my contract will be executed there and then, right? So this works on cryptocurrency, a blockchain network. तो अब इसके अंदर मुझे सिर्फ अपना क्या करना है, लोन की रिक्वायरमेंट डालनी है. बट करना कैसे है मुझे ये? सो इन दिस there are various dApps. dApps means decentralized applications for the same, where I do coding. So one very fine and very popular example of dApp is Ethereum, right? So in this you can do coding. Anyone can do coding. It is an open software and which is making the system more transparent. It can be seen by anyone. ठीक है? So this is how decentralized finance works. This system works on this takes two cryptocurrencies. One is Bitcoin and second is Ethereum. So if you want to transact, you have to do it in these two currencies, right? But there is a problem involved in it. This crypto market is, as it is a new market, plus the market cap of cryptocurrency is very small, so it is highly volatile. The price of the cryptocurrency, it fluctuates. The price is very volatile. So in order to avoid this situation, there is a concept called stable coin which was introduced. So this stable coin is also a type of cryptocurrency, but it is backed by some fiat currency like US dollar, which is making it more stable, right? So now what you have to do, you will be keeping Bitcoin as a security, but in exchange you will get stable coin in return, right? So this is making the system more stable. So this is how decentralized finance works. So I hope you liked my video, and in case you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching.